Each day, consumers are exposed to over 3,000 advertising messages. Of those, the average person will remember 8. How do you become one of the 8 and not one of the 2,992 messages that go unnoticed? You find out what stands out. We already know that 71% of people prefer buses with advertising as opposed to those without. People actually like ads placed on buses. Consumers actually notice bus advertising more than other outdoor formats. And that 67% of people registered bus advertising as more noticeable because of one simple fact. It moves. When something moves, instinct forces us to look at it. A reaction left over from the prehistoric age where watching out for predators was crucial for survival. Ingrained, unconscious behavior makes people look at your ads, if they're there. And after 30 years of selling, trialing and testing moving messages, we also know something else. Moving messages are more likely to change people's minds. We just couldn't prove it. Until now. We used a new type of research, one that didn't rely on test subjects trying to articulate the subtle changes and reactions that were going on in their brain when they were exposed to advertising. We looked for ourselves. Neurological insights measure electrical activity in areas of the brain associated with emotion, attention, memory, and engagement. What we found was shocking. Just kidding. Our neurological research looked at what happened in the brain when it was exposed to a message on a moving bus and then compared it to the same message on a stationary bus. This is what we found. Moving media engages the attention of the viewer much earlier, which opens the doorway for effective memory encoding, resulting in the subject's level of brand saliency increasing by over 100%. Proving that transit advertising is most likely to shift brand preference. Combined with creative flexibility, coverage, proximity, and visibility, a moving advertising message is twice as likely to be recalled in a purchase situation. So, why wouldn't you advertise on transit?